Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Without wasting time, let's embark upon our course. Today's frame is based on second year and I have selected analytic geometry questions. Analytic geometry questions, past papers from NED, a tiny portion from NED and from our Sindh textbook board as well as Punjab. Many portions are overlapping common. The topics are same. Let's see and find out if 2, 4 is the centroid of the triangle. 2, 4 is centroid of the triangle having vertices at A 1, 2, B is 3, K and C is 2, 4. Then determine the value of K. 2, 4 is the centroid of the triangle having vertices at A, B and C. Their coordinates are given 1, 2, 3K, 2, 4. Determine the value of K. Determine the value of K. Let me draw a rough sketch for you. Name them in any fashion, whatever you like. A rough sketch not drawn according to scale. This is our centroid. Means intersection portion of the medians. Intersection portion of the medians. Intersection portion of the medians. Centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. X is equal to this one, x is equal to this one. And similarly, ordinate y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. Keep one thing in mind, the point, central point, the centroid is denoted by xy. Center is always denoted, or centroid is denoted by xy. It is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, or x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. This makes no difference. To move them, to shuffle them here and there, or name them in different manner. No compromise on the center. Center is denoted by x1, xy, and that is our centroid. Its value of x, its value of y. We have to determine k. K lies in y. Y means ordinate. Taking y ordinate only, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 over 3. Value of y is given. Y is 4. Y1, 2. This is our y1, y2 and y3 plus k plus 4 over 3. Shift 3 here. 4 times 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus k. 12 is equal to 6 plus k. So 12 minus 6 is equal to k. K is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. One can easily verify the centroid. Let's check x coordinate. x1, x2, x3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. And 2 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 3. It will become 6 upon 3, 2. 12 divided by 3, 4. 12, 2 and 4 is the same centroid. Centroid of the triangle is the point of intersection of all the three medians of the triangle, and median cut each other in the ratio either 1 to or 2 1 to or 2 1 1 to or 2 1. To determine centroid's formula, x1 y1 x2 x1 plus x2 plus x3 over all 3. Like me. Moving to next question. Now we are asked to find the length, the distance of the line segment, and we have given polar coordinates, radial distance, radial segment and the angle. Radial segment and the angle. We are familiar mostly, normally distance formula is used, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, or some literature writes as difference of abscissa square plus difference of ordinate. Ordinate means what? Square. Here we have given questions 3 angle pi over 6 and minus 2 pi over 3. Distance formula in terms of polar coordinates. Distance formula in terms of polar coordinates is given by r1 square, r2 square minus 2 times r1 r2 cos difference of the inclinations theta 2 minus theta. This is our r1 theta 1. This is our r2. This is our theta 2. This is our theta 2. Put values to get the answer. We have r1 square 3 square. R2 is negative 2. Negative 2 raised to square minus 2 times 3 times minus 2. We have cos pi over 3 minus pi over 6. The square of 3 is 9. The square of negative 2 is positive 4. Minus plus, it will become 12. Here, take LCM. 6 is the LCM. 2 pi minus pi. 2 pi minus pi. 2 pi minus pi. We have 9 plus 4 plus 12. What remains? Cos pi over 60. Pi over 60. 180. 30. Cos 30 is equal to, we can add them. 9 plus 4, 13. We cannot add this because this 12 is 12 times cos pi upon 6. They can be added. 12 cannot be. 13 plus 12. Cos pi upon 6 is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Applying table of 2. So we have 13 plus 6 times root 3. 6 times root 3 units. Whenever you are asked to find distance formula and you have given angle that is radian or there is degree, then switch over to distance formula in terms of polar coordinates. Distance formula in terms of polar coordinates, that is r1 square r2 square polar coordinates. R1 square plus R2 square minus twice R1. This is the same formula for finding for the resultant of the vector. Same F1 square, F2 square minus twice F1 into F2 cos theta. Cos theta are angle between the given vectors. Cool. Okay. Another question. The distance between 2 points 1 and minus 2 and 5 comma x is 5. Distance is given. Length between the 2 points is given. We are asked to determine an unknown, that is x, but written in place of ordinate. Don't get confused. Let's solve this one. It's easy one. Easy enough. What are the points? 1 minus 2 and 5 comma x. This is our A, this is our B. Distance between AB, length between AB is given to us 5 units. 5. We are asked to find x. Applying distance formula. Difference of abscissa 5 minus 1 whole square, x minus 2 whole square is equal to 5. Simply, if symbols are same, then subtract them. 5 minus 1, 4. If unlike symbols are always added. In case of distance formula only, like symbols are always subtracted. 5 minus 1, 4, 4 square. One negative, other positive. You have to add these. Opposite symbols are added only in case of distance formula applying direct. Okay, it will become 5 minus 4 square minus plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 5. To get rid of square root, squaring both sides, we have 4 square is 16. Open up, x square plus 2 times x times 2 plus the square of 2 is equal to square of 5 is 25. Square of 5 is 25. Solve for x square 4x 16. The square of 2 is 4. Shift 25 here. It will become negative 25 is equal to 0. So we have x square plus 4x 20 minus 5. 20 minus 25. Minus 5 is the answer. Build a breakup. 1 5 to 5. 5 minus 1 4. We have prepared build a breakup. 5x minus 1x minus 5 is equal to 0. Taking x common. X plus 5 minus 1 common. Change the upcoming symbol. It will become positive. The x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 is overall common. One bracket is x plus 5. The other is x minus 1. Solve for x. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Then we have x is equal to minus 5. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. So we have x is 1 and minus 5. 1 and minus 5. This one as well as this one. Both A and B. One can verify the distance by putting the values. We have, what are the given points? 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 and value of x are minus 5. 5 minus 5 and other is 5 minus 5 positive 1. Okay, apply distance formula. Like symbols, both are positive. 5 minus 1, 4 square. Both symbols they are same. Like symbols are always there. 5 minus 2, 3 square. It will become 16 plus 9 25, 25 means 5. We have verified option number 1. What about second? We can 1 minus 2, that is 5 minus 5. Applying distance formula. Opposite symbols are always subtracted. 5 minus 1, 4, 4 square. Minus 2, minus 5. It is also, they are also, they have same symbol, they always, it is same that we have already verified. Let me again, minus 5, minus 2, both symbols are same, subtract 5 minus 2, 3, minus 3 square, you will get 16 plus 9, that's 25. Let me verify with 1. 1 minus 2 and 5 comma 1, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 1. Okay, like symbol, abscissa have like symbol, subtract 5 minus 1, 4 square. They are unlike symbol, add them, 2 plus 1, 3. So again 16 plus 9, that is 25, means 5. One can verify from the options or follow the orthodox method. It's up to you. Both are good one. They leads you to a right destiny at right option. Whatever you want to follow, follow. Next question is solve the differential equation. We have done. Solve differential equation means integrate. Area under the curve means integrate. Solve differential equation, DE, integrate. Find area under the curve, integrate. Okay. Our differential equation is dy upon dx is equal to x times y. In our second year FSC level book, only separable differential equation is possible. Separable differential equation. How to deal this one? Differential of y should be in numerator as well as differential of x also in. All differentials are in numerator. Dy is equal to xy times dx. With dx, suit x, shift y towards dy. Mathematically, dy over y, we have x dx. Integrating both sides with respect to their independent variable. On the left hand side with respect to y, on the right hand side with respect to x, differentials are mentioned. 1 over y, 1 over x, differentiation of ln x is 1 over x. So integration of 1 over x is ln x. Here, ln y, integration of x square, enhance 1 into power, divide with the same. So that's our answer. ln y is equal to x square over 2 plus c, option number B. Another good question from geometry. If line L1 intersect L2 orthogonally, orthogonal perpendicular. It is the other word for perpendicular. Orthogonal, normal means perpendicular. Orthogonal, normal means perpendicular. Orthogonal, normal means perpendicular. If the slope of one line is m or one gradient is m, for perpendicular the other one is negative reciprocal of this one. Negative reciprocal of this one. When any two curves are perpendicular to each other, their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. Negative reciprocal, negative reciprocal. Like one is a over b, the other must be minus b over a. Negative reciprocal. Change the symbol as well as reciprocal. Change the symbol as well as reciprocal. Now what is our question? Our equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Intersect orthogonally at x is equal to 1 with the other line. This is our L2. This is our L1. We are asked to find L1. 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 How to find L1? It's really very easy. How to find slope from the given line? How to find slope from the given line? We have two possibilities. Number one, transform the equation in that fashion. Y is equal to mx plus c. If the coefficient of y is positive 1, whatever the coefficient of x, it's our slope. That's our slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Convert this equation into slope intercept form. 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 7. Make the coefficient of 1 dividing by 2. Overall, we have minus 3x over 2, 7 over 2. Cancelled out. Y is minus 3 over 2, x plus 7 over 2. So, the slope of the line is, slope of this line is m1, that is minus 3 over 2. They are intersecting each other orthogonally. The slope of the other line that is perpendicular to this, its slope is given by negative reciprocal of this one. Change the symbol as well as reciprocal this quantity. Change the symbol, negative, positive 2 over 3. Okay, we have slope. Now we can easily manage point. We have x is equal to 1. We have x is equal to 1. If we utilize here, you will get a point. 3 times 1 plus 2y is equal to 7. Shift 3 there, 2y is equal to 7 minus 3. So 2y is equal to 4. So y is 2. So our complete point is 1 over 2, 1 2, 1 comma 2, and the slope is 2 over 3. If we have been asked find the equation that is parallel, we would have taken same slope. For parallel slopes are equal. We are asked intersect orthogonally, means perpendicular. We have to make the slope negative reciprocal. This is our required slope, and that is the point. Manage the equation. Whenever we have given slope and point, that is our tiny equation. Y minus y is equal to m times x minus x1. What is our slope? Point 2, slope is 2 upon 3 x minus 1. It will become 3 times y minus 2, 2 times x minus 1. We have 3y minus 6 is equal to x minus 2. Shift them on any side. We have 2x minus 3y plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. We have 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. That is our required equation. One can verify. This is 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Check the multiply the coefficients of a, it will become 2 into 3. Multiply the coefficients of y, minus 3 into 2. They are equal to 0. That is a condition for perpendicular. Even one can verify direct without indulging in any length. One can manage this one direct. Let's see how to attempt MCQs of this equation. Okay, we have given a single point x is equal to put here to get y. 2y is equal to 7 minus 3. So 2y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2 in that case. So we have point 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. One can verify by putting values in that equation to get to right option. X is 1, y is 2. X is 1, y is 2. Put here. Our option number 1 is x is equal to 4y minus 11. Put x is 1, 4 to the 8. It is not the correct option. Second is x is equal to 3y minus 11. Good one. X is, what is the value of x? 1. 3, value of y is 2. 2 3 is 6 minus 11. 1 6 minus 11. It is not the case. What about third option? X is equal to 3y minus 9. X is 1. 3 times minus 9. So 1 is equal to 6 minus 9. 1 is equal to minus 3. That is not the option. So none of these is going to be the right option in that case. But we have managed the equation. How to hunt the equation? 3x plus 2y for perpendicular. For perpendicular, these two coefficients interchange each other and symbol of 1 must be changed. 2x minus 3y. That is the tip for you to hunt this one right. In that case, none of these is the right option. Moving towards next question. Orthogonal, normal, perpendicular, they are same. Question number, which of the following is the condition when two straight lines are parallel? I have managed one question from perpendicular, other parallel to give you good idea about line. To write equation of a straight line, we need a slope and a point. We have given two equations in general form. They are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. One strategy to find slope, to convert the equation in that form, y is equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c. In previous question we have just done this. Let's see how we can find direct. That the slope formula for this one, minus coefficient of x over coefficient of y. Coefficient of y means negative coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of b is y1. Similarly, for this line, slope is given by m2 is equal to minus a2 over b2. Coefficient of x negative, coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Okay. We have been given lines are parallel. Condition for parallel. When lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Their gradients are equal. Their slopes are equal. Their gradients are equal. Lines are parallel. Gradients are same, equal. What is our m1? Minus a1 over b1 is equal to minus a2 over b2. Cancelled out, cross multiply. a1 into b2 is equal to a2 b1, or a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. a1 times b2, a2 times b1, they are equal, or their difference is equal to 0. Their difference is equal to 0. So we have this one, a1 times b2, option B. That's the condition for parallel. That's condition for parallel. Let's see what about perpendicular. When they are perpendicular, means their slopes are negative reciprocal of each other, or shift m2 here, m1 times m2 is equal to minus. Means the product of their slope is equal to negative minus 1. Slope of m1 is minus a1 over b1 times minus a2 over b2 is equal to minus plus. It will become a1 a2, sorry, a1 a2, shift b1 b2 here, negative times b1 b2, or shift here a1 e2 plus b1 into b2. Means the product of the coefficients of x plus product of coefficients of y results in 0, when the lines are perpendicular. When the lines are perpendicular, a product of x1, product of the coefficients of x plus product of the coefficients of y results in 0 when lines are perpendicular. When lines are parallel, the coefficient of first line x times y of the second, coefficient of second equation x and first time its y, they are equal to 0. Means coefficient of x from the first line and coefficient of y from the second line, and coefficient of x from the second line and coefficient of y from the first line, their product is always equal. Their product are always equal if they are parallel. That's the condition. You can leave here, you can write here, or you can utilize even this one, or is this one. Okay. Moving to question number next. Okay. What is the center of the circle if extremities of the diameter, extremities means end points of the diameter are given. And points of the diameter are given, find its center. It's really very easy. Midpoints, end points of the diameter are given, their midpoint is going to be our center. Their midpoint is going to be our center. Question number 8. We have given a circle, end points of extremities of diameter. They are minus 1, 1, minus 1 and 1. Second one is 5 minus 1. So their midpoint is our center. Apply midpoint formula, add them. Minus 1 plus 5 over 2, 1 minus 5 over 2. So we have 4 over 2 minus 4 over 2. 2 negative 2 is the center. 2 and negative 2 is the center of this circle. When end points of diameter are given, we can easily manage radius. We can easily manage center. By finding the midpoints of the end points of the diameter. Midpoint of the end point of the diameter. Okay, one can easily find how to find radius. Either from this to this distance, it is radius. Either from center to this point, it is our radius. Let's see, check how to find radius. R is given by 2 and 5. They both have like symbols, subtract them. 5 minus 3, 2. They have also same symbol, minus 2 minus 5. Subtract minus 3 square. So we have 9 plus 9. I can write this one 2 times 9, 3 under root 2. 3 under root 2 is our radius. You can find radius from here, from these 2 points as well. Radius is going to be same. Okay. One negative, one positive, add them. one positive, other negative, add them. Direct hack for only distance formula, r is equal to 9 plus 9. From number theory, I can write instead of 18, 2 times 9. The square root of 9 is 3, 3 root 2, 3 root 2. Okay. Even we have given endpoints of diameter, we can easily manage equation of circle, that is x minus x1 times x minus x2 times plus y minus y1 times y minus y2 is equal to 0. Where this is our x1, y1, this is our x2, y2. Check x minus minus 1 and x minus 5 plus y minus 1, y minus minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 1, x minus 5, y minus 1, y plus 5 is equal to 0. One can multiply to arrive at the equation of circle when endpoints of diameter are given. X minus x1 times x minus x2 times plus y minus y1 times y minus y2 is equal to 0. That is the equation of circle to be utilized when endpoints of diameter are given. Moving towards final question. What do you mean by inverse of a function? You are familiar with the tiny MCQs on inverse, but let's solve this by two different methods. One orthodox, other is orthodox as well, but a good one, uncommon one. Okay, finally we have find f inverse of 6 is equal to 5. We have to manage where f of x is equal to 5x plus 1. 5x plus 1. Googly sort of question. In case of if we take normal function, that is the value of what? F of x. If normal function we are dealing a to b, then a is domain, b is range. In case of inverse, domain is range. This is inverse. Inverse means range is domain and domain is range. So this is value of f of x. 6, 5x plus 1. Shift here. 6 minus 1. 5x. 5 over 5. So x is equal to 1 is our answer. X is equal to 1 is our answer of this one. A direct hack. F inverse of 6 from original point of view, it is domain of inverse. According to this original f of x, it is range. I have utilized instead of range. Let's verify by orthodox or simple traditional method. Find its inverse. F of x means y is equal to 5x plus 1. Solve for x. Y minus 1 is equal to 5x. Y minus 1 over 5. That is value of x. So our inverse is given by change the dummy variable y to x. That is x minus 1 over y. We are asked to find f inverse of 6 instead of x 6 minus 1 over 5. 5 over 5 is equal to 1. 5 over 5 is equal to 1. Same answer. It's my tiny effort for you guys to teach you what is mathematics. Mathematics is simple enough but logical one. Your first step must be rationally driven. Before doing anything, just apply your concept rather than text. It's all by itself. Next.